Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing the Evolution S355 Metal Chop Saw. This is also a miter saw. So this saw is quite different from other saws like this I've reviewed in the past. Now, depending on the blade you have, you can cut steel, aluminum, and stainless steel with this one saw here, but you do have to replace the blade for whatever metal you're cutting. In today's video, however, I will be showing you how I am making a trailer hitch for my lawn tractor using this saw here. So I'm just going to show it to you here quickly before I get into my project. This saw here comes with a 3-year warranty. You get your manual, user's manual. And one thing I want to show you guys here that I found really important in the documents that came with it, the paperwork I mean, is the positioning of your blade when you're cutting steel. It kind of seems to me here that if your metal is centered to your blade here, like you see, that this is the best way to cut steel. Just something I wanted to share with you guys. Also, when you use this saw, make sure it is revving at full speed before you start your cut. If you don't, what's going to happen is the saw will bind on the metal and bad things can happen. So this saw here is a carbide blade here, I believe. It's not an abrasive blade like you use on your angle grinder and stuff like that. So you do have to be careful. Like I said, make sure you're revving at full speed before you hit your cut. And for positioning your metal in the center of the blade when you're cutting, you can actually loosen this part here and move the whole motor with the blade back and forth to line it up properly. And you could even do some sliding cuts as well, probably with this. I'm just going to lock it up right here. You do have some nice clamps that are built into the saw here. You can slide them back and forth from left to right. And it does come with these adapters here that you put at the end of the clamps, just to help you secure your metal better when you're doing a cut. But overall, it's really good construction, guys. It does not feel cheap at all. And I've already used it a bit in the shop. It just cuts amazingly. The project I'm doing with this saw today is I'm cutting that steel. I'm putting a hitch with a ball on my personal lawn tractor here for my small John Deere trailer. So I'll be starting off with the blade that is meant for steel. But later in the video, I will show you how you can cut aluminum with this saw and also stainless steel. And I do like how the blades are colored for each type of steel you will be cutting with them. Okay, here's how I'm doing this. The trailer, unfortunately, will be on a slight upward angle, but it'll still work good. And here's the setup over here. I'll show you that. I've cut out a piece from the back flap here. I've got a 3/8 metal slab, I think here, or 1/2 inch. And I've got a big angle iron piece that will go up to here. And then the ball will be screwed into that. So I'll drill a big hole in here, and this is about the level I'm going to keep everything. Okay, so I'm going to cut the 1/2 inch plate here. Make absolutely sure you're wearing safety glasses and earmuffs when you do this. Make sure everything is clamped on really, really tight. That went through there like butter, guys. The metal's not even hot. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to cut this at a 45-degree angle on each side. This is the metal part that the ball is going on. And you can cut angles on both sides with this saw, so I'm doing the other side. Perfect. Alright, I've got the blade on for cutting aluminum, and I've got a nice thick piece, and I'll just show you how that cuts through there. Now when you replace the blade, grab the Allen key that came with the saw. It's conveniently put in this place here on the machine. You can lock the blade by pushing here and then just undo the bolt that holds the blade. Now I've got the blade for the stainless steel, and here's a piece of stainless steel pipe, and I've got the adapters on the clamps here to hold the pipe. Alright, here's my hitch. It all worked out pretty good. It's welded all the way up here on the sides and here, and that's it. And here it is with the ball now, and I can hook up my trailer. And that'll be super handy. So this is a great saw to have in your shop, whether you are a welding shop or a small engine repair shop. If you do any kind of fabricating, this will save you a lot of time. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like the video, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.